Raj, yesterday I wanted to say, I went to the market yesterday.
Okay, simple sentence. What happened?
It came out as, yesterday market I went.
That sounds like Yoda speaking English.
I froze. My brain knew the words, but I couldn't put them in the right order.
Anjali, this happens to almost everyone. And it's not about knowing more words.
Then what is it about?
It's about one simple formula. Once you know it, you will never freeze again. Let's build it together right now.
A formula? Like math?
Exactly like math, but way easier. In fact, it's just three parts.
Only three?
Only three. And once this clicks, you will build sentences automatically without translating in your head first.
Wait, that's my biggest problem. I translate from my language first, then speak.
That's exactly why the order comes out wrong. Today, we delete that habit completely.
Delete it completely? I'm ready.
By the end of this video, you'll build sentences instantly statements, questions, and negatives without freezing once. Let's start with the formula. Anjali, imagine a machine. You drop in three pieces, and a perfect sentence comes out.
I want that machine.
You already have it in your brain. It's called subject verb object SVO.
Subject, verb, object. Break it down for me.
Subject is who or what is doing something. I.
Verb is the action. Drink.
An object is what receives the action. Coffee.
I drink coffee. Subject, verb, object.
That's it. That's the whole machine.
Wait, that felt too easy. Give me a harder one.
Anjali reads books. Subject Anjali. Verb reads. Object books.
Raj drinks tea every morning.
Perfect. You just built a full sentence correctly on your first try.
So the mistake I made yesterday market I went, the order was just backwards?
Exactly. It should have been I went to the market yesterday. Subject first, then verb, then the details.
Subject always comes first. Got it. Permanently.
Now here's the secret nobody explains. Time and place words go at the end of the sentence, not the beginning.
At the end,
Almost always in simple sentences. I went to the market yesterday. Not yesterday market I went.
so the formula is really subject, verb, object, then time or place?
Exactly. SVO. Then extra details at the end.
Let me try. We ate pizza at the restaurant last night.
Perfect. Subject we, verb ate, object pizza, then place at the restaurant, then time last night.
This feels like building with blocks.
It is exactly that. One block at a time, always in the same order.
She called her mother this morning.
Flawless. You just built a perfect sentence without even pausing. Anjali, have you ever asked a question and it came out sounding rude by accident?
Yes, I once asked, "You like this job?" And my friend thought I was judging her.
That's because a statement needs a small change to become a polite question.
Show me the fix.
For most sentences, we add do or does at the front. You like this job becomes do you like this job?
And if it's about one person, like he or she?
Then we use does, and the verb goes back to its simple form. He likes coffee becomes does he like coffee?
Wait, likes becomes like?
Yes, Does already carries that extra S, so the verb doesn't need it anymore.
Does she work here?
Perfect question. And it sounds friendly, not accusing.
Do they live near the cafe?
Exactly right. See how natural that felt?
So the fix for my rude sounding question was just adding do at the front?
That's it. Do you like this job? Same words, completely different feeling.
Raj, once I wanted to say I don't understand, but it came out as I not understand.
Close. But that small word, don't, is doing a big job.
Show me.
For most sentences, we add do not or the short form don't before the verb. I understand becomes I do not understand.
And for he or she?
We use does not or doesn't. He understands becomes he does not understand or he doesn't understand.
And the verb loses its extra S again?
You're catching the pattern fast. Yes, understands becomes understand once doesn't is there.
She doesn't drink coffee.
Perfect.
We don't live in Delhi anymore.
Flawless. Statements, questions, negatives. You now control all three. Anjali, we are past the halfway point, and there's one more piece sentences with is, am, or are.
Oh, those feel different somehow.
They are different. With be verbs, we don't need do or does at all.
Wait, really?
Really, she is a teacher becomes a question just by moving is to the front. Is she a teacher?
No does needed?
None at all. And the negative, just add not right after. She is not a teacher.
They are not from Delhi.
Are they from Delhi? For the question.
So the rule is action verbs need do or does, but be verbs just move around by themselves.
That is the exact rule. You just explained it better than most textbooks.
Raj, are you free right now?
I'm free. What do you need?
I finished the report last night.
Do you need me to check it?
Yes, please. I don't want any mistakes in it.
Is the file on your laptop?
It is. I will send it to you now.
Does the client need it today?
He does not need it until tomorrow morning.
Perfect. Then we are not in a rush.
Did you notice? Statements, questions, negatives, all in one normal conversation.
And it felt completely natural, not like grammar at all. Quick round. I say a broken sentence, you fix the order or the grammar. Fast. Yesterday market I went.
I went to the market yesterday.
She liked coffee.
She likes coffee.
He not understand.
He doesn't understand.
You like this job?
Do you like this job?
That's the sentence that confused your friend at the start.
Full circle again.
They is happy.
They are happy.
You just fixed 5 sentences in under 30 seconds. So Anjali, what's the one formula we learned today?
Subject, verb, object. Then time or place at the end.
And for questions?
Add do or does for action verbs. Or move is, am, are to the front for be verbs.
And for negatives?
Add don't or doesn't. Or just add not after is, am, are.
Anjali, you just summarized this entire lesson perfectly without notes.
So here's your challenge. Comment one sentence below. Then turn it into a question, then into a negative.
We personally read every comment, and if the order slips, we'll fix it for you gently. No judgment.
This channel is still a judgment free zone.
If this video helped you build sentences with confidence, hit like. It helps more learners find this lesson.
And subscribe, because next lesson, we're tackling something that trips up even confident speakers. Connecting two simple sentences into one smooth sentence.
You do not want to miss lesson 9.
See you there!
Bye bye.